Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. So my beauty boxes are starting to roll in. Yay! I did get my BoxyLuxe today, and I am super excited. So I'm going to tell you why I love this box. So I've always been a fan of BoxyCharm. I've been getting this now for like probably over a year, maybe longer. And then probably about a year ago, I signed up for the BoxyLuxe. So BoxyCharm is going to be $21 a month. And then the BoxyLuxe, you're billed an additional $28.99 every quarter, and then you get a beefed up box here. And this month, my BoxyLuxe is worth approximately two, it's well over $300 because you get a lot of full size products. I actually just got Sephora Playback. I'm not as crazy about the smaller samples. That's why I like the BoxyLuxe and the Ipsy Plus, because you get the big product. So I'm just going to dig in here. The first thing that I'm so excited to get is this Sutra Clipless curling iron. I've always been a huge fan of curling irons since back in the 80s. Oh my gosh, the curling iron was like our best friend. Then it became like the crimper, and then it became the flat iron. But I've always just liked just like a regular standard curling iron. This is one of the clipless ones. I actually don't own a clipless, so I'm really curious to actually see what this does. This is a $65 value, so this completely paid for the box, which is kind of cool. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to plug this in, and then you can kind of, I think, wrap it sideways. I got to figure out how to use one of these. So I think it's basically like you're going to grab your hair and then wrap it like this, and then hold the end of the hair. So you're supposed to get a really nice curl out of this. So I'm going to check this out, see how I like it. I'll let you guys know. Let's see, what else did we get? I'm going to go and order it out. Ooh, okay. So I think the favorite, one of the favorite things in my box is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. We had gotten a Violet Voss in another BoxyCharm palette a while ago. I love the eyeshadow in these palettes. So, oh my gosh, check this one out. This one is so pretty and colorful. The one I have is pretty much like golds, mauves, browns. So I was kind of happy to get a Violet Voss with, look at that plumberry, the pink, the cinnamon. Love all those colors. These are awesome. So I'm just going to swatch one of these for you guys. The pigment in Violet Voss is just amazing. Check that out. That is the cinnamon. This is the plumberry. That is a metallic. And then I really like this pink. I like pink eyeshadow. Check that out. But you can tell these are really, really pigmented. I'm not sure about the emerald. I usually don't wear emerald eyeshadow. But the value on this is going to be $29. So that is an awesome piece right there. We also got another palette, or at least I did. What box did I get? I got, there's so many variations. I got 7L. What does 7L mean? I have no idea. But I did get the Park Ave Princess from Tarte. And this is actually a $45 value. This thing is heavy. Oh my gosh, you guys. Because I was looking at everything in the box. This is one of the heaviest palettes I think I've ever owned. I mean, it's really weighty. So this one actually has, this one smell. This one does have the vanilla scent. I'm picking up the vanilla. That's one thing that I really love about Tarte. I'm so addicted to that scent. It's not as strong as it usually is. So I was trying to figure out if it truly has that vanilla. I swear I smell a hint of vanilla. But anyway, this is a really nice highlighter palette. I probably wouldn't use some of these darker bronze shades, but up until probably like this one, and this one, I use these a lot. I use them above my eye up here, I always use them like kind of like under my eye on top of my cheekbone. Um, but let's see, diminishes variety of skin tones. Clay helps improve overall skin clarity. Okay, we all need that. So anyway, that's a really cool palette. I'm very happy with this. So this was, like I said, a $45 value. So we get two nice palettes this time, which was really exciting. And then, let me grab what's in here next. We got the Hank and Henry Blickety Black. The Blickety Black eyeliner. I'm not even going to open this one. I'm going to gift this. A lot of, I know a lot of teenagers, college students who are in my family friends that I always gift my eyeliners to because I don't do well with liquid eyeliner. Save that for the younger girls. I don't know why. It just gets all over the place. You know what I use that works really good? I get a stiff brush and I use it just a brush underneath my lashes. Works amazing. And you don't get that, like, if you goof your line, you're fine. Little trick there. Let's see. Next up, oh, I'm so excited about this. This is the GK Mistress. This is the hydrating balm leave-in conditioner that won't leave your hair weighing down. You know me, I'm always about any type of oh, that smells good too. This smells very coconutty. This is a, I wonder if you put this on wet or dry hair. Melts into hair without leaving a trace. Apply a small amount to clean towel dried hair for hydrating touch. Apply to ends after styling. Okay, I'm just going to apply this to my ends and see what happens. Because you know me, I've got the craziest big hair on the planet. And actually it does. It does do something. I think it actually like gave me a little bit of a boost and a frizz tamer. That actually looks pretty good. Um, it smells like coconut. I mean, this is like really beachy. It's kind of weird because it smells like summer. But this is actually a $29 value, so full size product. So we got the curling iron and a full size hairs product. Next up, we have from Styla. We have, I didn't open this. I don't know what color it is. We have the All Day Liquid Lipstick, $22 value, and the shade is Rubino. There we go. I like this shade. This is kind of like that brick raisin shade. This is a pretty color. Oh, and it smells like vanilla cookies or something. This is definitely dark. I may be able to work with this though and kind of like layer a gloss over that. So that's a nice shade. I like that for fall. Next up, what do we have in here? We have the Dr. Brandt. Oh my gosh, check this out. This is the Hydrobiotic. This is the recovering sleep mask. And this is actually a $52 value. You're supposed to put it on at night and it's supposed to rehydrate your skin. Sealed. That smells really good. I love Dr. Brandt. I mean, most of his products, I would say 95% of his products have like really done a lot of help with my skin. So I'm always excited to get one of these. And then the final product I got is from Glow Recipe. Check out a little pineapple. It's a pineapple C bright serum, $49 value. This thing is sealed. Let me see if I can get this open. I need, you know what? I'm going to grab my candle wick dipper and see if I can just open this really quick. Yes. My candle wick dipper came in handy. Look at this. So, oh, oh, it's a pineapple. Oh my gosh, how cute. It literally looks like a little pineapple. I'm assuming it has a pineapple scent. Let me see. Oh, okay, this smells really interesting. It says, reveal poreless, translucent, and illuminated glass skin with brightening pineapple. This lightweight liquid is formulated with 3 types of vitamin C, including pure pineapple juice a potent source of vitamin C. It's interesting. It does kind of smell pineapple-y, but like more like real pineapple. This is strong. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure I love the scent of this, but I love the bottle. That is pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to check this out some more. I like the inside too. Check it out. It's all pineapple-y. So anyway, so this is why I love BoxyCharm. Even though sometimes you get a couple of items that you won't necessarily use, I have a lot of people that I gift stuff to, so it's not a problem. Nothing ever goes to waste, and I definitely feel like I get, even if I gift stuff, a value out of it. I mean, the so basically my favorite items this time are the curling iron, which is a what 60 this was 65 dollars. um the two pallets, which are like 50 bucks each, so that's like 160 bucks. And then my other favorite product is definitely this Mistress IGK anti-frizz leave-in conditioner. So we're talking like 200. Oh, and the Dr. Brandt, I forgot about the Dr. Brandt. I love the Dr. Brandt. $250 worth of product that I will absolutely use and I love, and I only paid like $49. So to me, that is an absolute win-win. Since I've been getting my beauty boxes, I rarely go into Ulta and actually go and buy makeup. Occasionally, like I went and I bought that Pac-Man set from Wet n Wild just because I was so pop culture and I loved it so much. It's like I have to have that. But in general, I get 99% of my awesome palettes via my beauty boxes. I mean, and I do love new palettes. I was just using the one that we got. I think that was on in Ipsy, the balm. I've been using that like for the past 3 weeks. I'll probably switch over to this one now. I like getting new palettes. We know we don't always go through all of our. How many people hit pan? All of us like we very rarely are going to get through all of these palettes. I don't think I've ever gotten through a palette and said, I'm done. I've used everything and then we throw it out. No, we just keep accumulating palettes. But it's fun. I love doing this. And I love getting new palettes. So that's why it's so exciting for me to get these beauty boxes, because I would never go out and pay, what is this? This is for the Violet Voss. I would 29. So I would never go out and even pay $29 for like a new palette. It's funny, even like I wanted the Urban Decay. What is that? On the Road? I can't remember what it's called now. It's escaping me. But anyway, I kind of wanted that palette, and it's 50% off now. But I'm like, you know what? I'm not even going to get that one because I get so many good palettes via my beauty boxes. So that's why I love them. It feels like a surprise in your mailbox every month. Um, and that's why, like I said, I prefer getting the BoxyCharm because, and now the Ipsy's doing their ultimate. I can't wait to get that. But because you do get these full size things. So that's why I love these things. I really have no complaints whatsoever at all about these boxes. I love them. And I love sharing them with you. So if you have any comments about the BoxyCharm, let me know. I will leave my referral link down below. And I hope everyone has a great day. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.